Are you a JC2 student looking for the best hedge for your upcoming A-level econs exams?
Predictions were scarily accurate.
And I was like, wow, like Mr. Toh predicted so many of the questions.
Wow, this is like exactly the same.
Almost everything he predicted came out.
I already expected them to come out already.
He predicted almost all the topics that will come out.
Well, we've prepared the Ultimate Exam Pack and it has everything you need to succeed. This exam pack will include the Essence workshop, which will cover 20 prelim exam questions. We also have a final consolidation lecture and 2 mock examinations that will cover what Mr. Toh will predict that will come up for this year's exams. You'll also have the option to go for our Level 2 Essay and CSQ Bootcamp that will cover 24 essays and 16 case studies, or our TYS Crash Course that will cover 60 essays and 20 case studies. Furthermore, here are the materials that you'll receive for this exam pack. There are limited slots, so grab your early bird rate now and register at tuitiongenius.com/ultimate.